Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Verkaman Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we look at driving while suspended tickets. So, for example, if someone's charged with driving while suspended, what they do is they'll reach out to an attorney who has some experience in handling that. They retain the attorney. The attorney will prepare a letter of representation to the court and a discovery letter to the prosecutor. It's important that the person, if they can get restored because they haven't paid tickets or fined somewhere, try to get restored right away, because sometimes the prosecutor may be willing, if they got restored right away, to be able to have the charge amended to, let's say, a charge of either unlicensed driver, failure to provide certain documents, or if they're from out of state, there's a out of state driving privilege that was restricted. So, because if someone's charged with driving while suspended, there's for a first offense, a $500 fine, but also loss of license for up to 6 months, and there's $750 in surcharges that the court doesn't tell you about, plus another 9 points on someone's car insurance. For a second offense, the fines increase to $750. You're looking at 1 to 5 days in jail, and the loss of license of up to 6 months. And a third offense is mandatory jail. So it's important to try to get an attorney that has some experience handling, because the question is, was there proper notice? What was the reason for the suspension? Sometimes someone's guilty as guilty can be, so sometimes the goal is just to try to cut down on what the suspension would be, and sometimes the goal is to try to limit what any type of weekend jail time would be. For other information on driving while suspended, visit website njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Ken Verkaman's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.